If your data looks like a jumbled mess, you're missing out. Power BI is here to help. Power BI is your go-to tool for turning raw data into actionable insights. Imagine connecting to a wide range of data sources, from databases to Excel spreadsheets and even cloud-based applications. Next, Power BI's powerful transformation tools let you clean and prep your data effortlessly. No more wrestling with inconsistent formats or missing values. But here's the magic: creating interactive reports and dashboards that make your data come to life. Picture real-time updates and visualizations that anyone in your organization can easily understand. Need to share these insights? No problem. With Power BI, you can share your reports and dashboards seamlessly, ensuring everyone stays on the same page. Ready to make data-driven decisions with confidence? Start your journey with Power BI today. Voiceover, outro, transform your data, transform your business. Power BI, your partner in analytics.